So hello guys and welcome back to yet another video, and in this video I'll be telling you about a small hack which will help you redirect your Instagram audience to your YouTube application. So what happens is that new YouTubers like us, we just take the link and we put it in our Instagram bio. So most of the times when we ask people to go check the link in the bio, and if they click on that link, they get redirected to the browser page of YouTube and not the YouTube application. And there, if they wish to subscribe to the channel, if they click on the subscribe button, they get prompted to sign in, and most of the people don't sign in. So this is why many YouTubers lose their initial subscribers. But to avoid that problem, I'll be telling you about a tool today which will directly take your audience from your Instagram or any other social media platform to your YouTube application, where they can access your entire channel and also subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. So this tool can be accessed in your cell phones as well on your laptops, but I will be using my laptop today because it is better for demonstration. So I have provided the link in the description. You can just click on that link, and this will be the first page which will be visible. So you have two options over here: get started for free and login. So I already have my account, so I'll just click on login. So once you're logged in, this will be the first screen visible to you all. So I have been using this tool for a while now. So I just have 917 free clicks left. You will get around 1000 clicks free when you just log in, when you get started. So what you will have to do is you'll have to go to that particular YouTube video and just copy the link and then paste it over here. Once you do that, it will load for a while, and then it will give you an option here to compose deep link. So once you click on that, you will have this page over here. So you can just scan this QR code to check whether the link is working or not, but most of the time it works. So you can just click on copy URL. So once you copy the URL, you can just go to your Instagram and paste it in the website option, but I use Linktree, so I'll be pasting it there. So if you have not seen the previous video on Linktree, the link is an I button here. You can go watch that video. So I'll go to Linktree, and here in my YouTube video section, I'll just paste the link. So once you put the link in your Instagram bio, and if a person goes and clicks on that, he will be redirected to the YouTube application and not the browser. So this will help you maintain the view to subscriber ratio, because what happens is you get around 500 to 600 views from your Instagram, but the subscribers don't increase, and this is one of the reason why that happens. So most y'all might not know about this, but this is one of the easiest and free methods by which you can redirect your audience from your social media platforms to your YouTube channel. So if this video has helped you in some or the other way, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. I'll be bringing out such videos every Monday and Thursday from now onwards. Thank you.